Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rashmi Gaur and I love making beauty and lifestyle content. And if you love watching beauty and lifestyle content, then you are at the right place. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. Today's video is especially about the summer essentials. समर इज़ ईयर एंड बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ रही है मुंबई में, बहुत ज़्यादा. मुझे तो इतना एक्सपेक्टेड ही नहीं था कि इतनी गर्मी होगी मुंबई में इस बार. बट या इट इज़ वॉट इट इज़. एंड आई थिंक अप्रैल से ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है, तो तब से ही मैंने कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें यूज़ करना शुरू कर दिया विच आई एडेड टू माई essentials list, and I think वो तुम्हारी essentials में भी काम आएगा. Whether you have a oily skin, dry skin or any skin type for that matter, these all products would work for you. So let's get started with the essentials. Also I've seen a lot of people talking about जो मेरे लिए essentials है वो बाकी किसी के लिए essential हो ना हो. That is totally subjective. It's just that कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये सारी चीज़ें आपके रूटीन में होनी चाहिए. So if you feel like adding it to your routine, good. If you don't, it's okay. बस मुझे ऐसा है कि you should know all the essentials so that you feel confident even in summers की गर्मी. So yeah, let's get started. So starting with skincare. You all might already know that sunscreen is so important for your skin, even if it's summer, winters, rainy season or anything. एंड एक्चुअली समर्स में सबसे ज़्यादा सन एक्सपोजर हो रहा है, तो तुम्हें तो सनस्क्रीन लगानी है. बट द सनस्क्रीन्स दैट आर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट आर ऑल वेरी हैवी. I think most of them, even they're lightweight, they have no white cast, but they're still heavy on the skin given the sun exposure. As soon as I leave my apartment, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा पूरा sweat की वजह से शायद मेरी sunscreen निकल गई हो. So in those cases, you need something like this Wishcare sunscreen. I have been using it from a month now and I love it. It is such a great product. It is super lightweight. I've already made a few videos around it. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you do because I share a lot of content there as well. And see how lightweight this is. This absorbs into your skin like magic. See how awesome this is, and it is such a good sunscreen. It has niacinamide, it has oil balance, it is a fluid sunscreen, it is light and matte. Honestly, even if I apply it, I have a little dry skin, I don't have oily skin. Still, I feel that it is moisturizing too. It is not very matte or it makes my skin feel very dry. Because it's a liquid formula, it's still moisturizing. So you can totally try this because I love it. Oily skin girlies, this is going to be your favorite product. And dry skin girlies, you can totally try this because I love it. I have dry to normal skin and this works great for this. I have a coupon code for Wishcare. I'll insert it on the screen, you can check that out. But yeah, I love this sunscreen. I have another variant in it, but I haven't really tried it बहुत ज़्यादा time. So I am very sure about this particular variant. It is lovely. Next up is a product that most people skip during summers, which is a moisturizer. They feel that dry skin में या फिर actually winters में ही moisturizer सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है, but that is so not true. That is not true guys, because you need a moisturizer. Try something that is in the lightweight category, तो तुम्हें वो पसंद आ जाएगा और वो तुम्हारी स्किन के लिए काफ़ी लाइट और जेल टेक्सचर रहेगा, तो बहुत अच्छा भी रहेगा. I am using this simple hydrating gel cream and it is so good. I love it. I also have another option that is the Dot-In की one, but I haven't tried it. मैंने वो लाके रखा हुआ है. I'll use it, but I am sure that would be also too good because it also has gel-like formula. And this has the water boost properties. It is super hydrating to your skin and it absorbs into your skin like magic, just like your sunscreen. Because it is from the brand Simple, I'm sure it doesn't have any chemicals, so you can totally try it out. Other gel moisturizer suggestions I'll be giving in the description box below, you can check that out, but I highly recommend you this one. Try. जितनी skin ज़्यादा dry होती है उतना ही wrinkles जल्दी आते हैं. That is the process actually. So you don't have to skip your moisturizer ever. Use it twice a day, morning routine maybe, a night routine maybe. Don't skip it. Next up is a face wash. So basically I have seen a lot of people using face wash on a very regular basis in summer because उनको बहुत ज़्यादा sweat होता है तो उनको लगता है face wash वो ही ठीक कर देगा. But the major problem, the major mistake that a lot of people make is not using your face wash twice a day. You have to use it every morning and every night as soon as you come, because it is very important for your skin to be clean. Given the situation, you sweat a lot the entire day, you have a lot of pollution that is on your face, and there's a lot of dirt on your face and you have to remove it all. I have two recommendations for you for face wash. First is this Face Shop Rice Water Brightening Face Wash. I love it. This is my holy grail face wash. This is such a good product. I actually stopped using it for I think 4-5 months because I was moved to the Plum Salicylic Acid face wash, and that is also a very good face wash. But this is a superhero in face wash. I have the full size of it and I love it. It is such a great product because I feel कोई भी सीजन हो मेरा स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा डल है, एंड बाय बहुत ज़्यादा आई मीन बहुत ज़्यादा. सो वेन एवर आई अप्लाई इट एवरी मॉर्निंग my skin feels so good. The glow, the instant glow that I get from this face wash is just super awesome and I love it. I really love it. The texture of this face wash is also too good. It is almost over. It is a very foamy kind of a face wash, so you will love it, and it is good for all skin types. There was a time where every influencer was talking about this face wash and they were they were loving this face wash so much, and I know the reason why, because I have been, even though it is expensive, this size 50 grams is for 390 rupees I guess, but still it is totally worth it. If you want a face wash जो तुम्हारी स्किन को ब्राइटनिंग भी प्रॉपर्टीज दे और भी बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारी ओवरऑल स्किन के लिए हो, क्लीन बहुत अच्छे से करे तुम्हारी स्किन को, तो यू नीड टू try this face wash. It is totally amazing. Second face wash option is this Cetaphil cleanser. It is a very gentle cleanser and it is loved by many, and there's a reason for it. It's a very mild cleanser and it suits again all skin types. It is a very gentle yet very clean formula, so everyone loves it for a reason and you have to try it. It is dermatologist recommended also, so you don't have to worry about anything before trying this product. And I think both are of same price, कहीं ना कहीं सिमिलर प्राइस रेंज है, दोनों भी एकदम अफोर्डेबल नहीं है, दोनों भी एकदम एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. However, I'll add a few affordable options for you in the description box below, so you can check that out. But I totally recommend you to try this one if you have dull skin, and if you want a mild cleanser then try this one. I have a lot of skincare recommendations. The next recommendation is this Kama Ayurveda rose water. You can use any rose water, you don't have to particularly use the Kama Ayurveda, but I recently bought this rose water and it is so good. The mist is so fine. I use it whenever I feel like my skin is sweating, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही है ना, to get that boost of freshness I use rose water on my skin usually. So this is the one I'm using right now. You can use the Gulabari one also, but I think that has chemicals. And also you can try some other rose waters also which are available. I think Plum के अभी एक है, Plum का भी एक available है, and I'm going to try that super soon, so stay tuned for that. And also you can make it at your home. If you want me to share a video with you how to make rose water at home, then let me know in the comments below, because I would be happy to share that. But yeah, rose water will give you the freshness that you want in the day, and toners are in general very important, so do not skip that, especially during summers. Another myth that people follow is lips dry नहीं होते हैं in summers. Who said that, guys? कौन बोल रहा है ये? मुझे उनसे मिलाओ, because मेरे lips मुझे लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा dry summers में ही हो रहे हैं, और there is a reason for that, because the climate change. तुम्हारी skin कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकती है अभी, तुम किसी पे भरोसा मत करो, किसी पे भी सुनो मत, बिकॉज ये सारी मिथ्स की वजह से ही आधी चीज़ें स्किन केयर में यूज़ नहीं हो रही है. एंड आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू बाय एक्सपेंसिव स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स. यू कैन यूज़ होम रेमेडीज ऑल्सो. मॉइस्चराइजर, फेस वॉश सबके लिए चाहिए तो मेरे पास होम रेमेडीज भी है, तो इफ़ यू वांट मी टू शेयर दैट आई कैन शेयर दैट ऑल्सो विथ यू. बट फॉर लिप बाम यू कैन यूज़ द हाइफिन लिप बाम. recent obsession. I love it. I love the smell, the vanilla smell of this lip balm. It is a very moisturizing, lightweight lip balm. It stays onto your lips for 3 to 4 hours, I guess, and then you have to reapply it, and that is the case I think with most of the lip balms right now. But yeah, I love it. I also love Zudio Coffee lip balm. I also love Nivea Original Care lip balm. I think these three are something which I'm using currently. But yeah, Hyphen sorry, but yeah, Hyphen is my current obsession. I love it. That was it for skincare, but I would quickly share 2 more things which are there for your face only. First is this beauty blender which is getting so viral. I have already posted a reel about it. You can check it out. I bought it from Mr. DIY. So what you can do is, it's a quick hack actually. You just take some compact powder or loose powder on this and keep it in a bag. वो सील वाला बैग आता है ना, यू कैन कीप इट इन दैट वाइल ट्रैवलिंग. एंड जब भी तुमको लग रहा है तुम्हारी अंडर आईज, तुम्हारे फोरहेड, जहाँ पे भी तुमको ज़्यादा स्वेट होता है, वहाँ पे यू कैन जस्ट touch up this ऐसे लगाकर, and this would actually help. I have seen so many influencers using it. Even I carry it sometimes, but usually when I'm traveling, I'm going to my office or anything, I don't carry makeup. मतलब मैं पूरा full face makeup करके नहीं जाती, so I don't require that. Use tissues अगर मुझे sweat feel हो रहा है तो. Usually नहीं होता है, but हो रहा है तो I use tissues, and that is what works for me. Another thing that you can add is these blotting paper sheets. Just open it. I haven't opened it also yet. So basically I don't have oily skin, but my mom, my sister, they have oily skin, so उनके लिए मैंने ये Miniso से लिए थे. So I'll just show it to you. This is how the blotting paper sheet looks like, and this is how the packaging looks like. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This is the oil absorbent sheet. It's a very thin sheet, and you just have to do this on your skin. मेरे को बिल्कुल भी ऑयल का दिक्कत नहीं होता है. But let's see if something comes. See, can you guys see this? बहुत ही स्लाइटली हल्का भी ऑयल तुम्हारे फेस पे जो होगा ना, ऑयल और स्वेट, इट विल जस्ट सोक इट, और तुम्हारा मेकअप या तुमने जो भी फेस पे लगा के रखा है, दैट विल बी ऑल्सो इंटैक्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स, एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन सी. मुझे बहुत कम दिक्कत है ऑयल की, बिकॉज आई हैव ड्राई टू नॉर्मल स्किन, बट यर समवेयर यू कैन सी थोड़ा बहुत स्वेट था. फिर वो भी शूट में फ़ैन बंद थे इसीलिए आया है, तो तभी तुम्हें काम आ जाएगा. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी नाइस थिंग. दिस इज़ वेरी इनएक्सपेंसिव ऑनेस्टली गाइस. दिस इज़ 200 एंड इट हैज़ 70 शीट्स, मोर देन 70 शीट्स. आई थिंक 70 एक में है, 140 शीट्स है इसमें, because they're very thin and very user friendly. So you can just take one wherever you're going and carry it with you, and one can be at your home. Very good Miniso, love it. This is the next thing that you can use in your summer essentials. Now I have 2 more categories. One is body care and one is I think random, which has only one product. So yeah, let's start with that. First things first, the holy grail Borolin. इसको कैसे भूल सकते हैं हम. सो पीपल यूजुअली यूज इट स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स, एंड एक्चुअली इट्स ट्रू बिकॉज विंटर्स में ये बहुत हेल्पफुल होती है. बट आई स्टिल फील इवन इन समर्स योर हील्स माइट क्रैक, your elbows, knees are not moisturized at all. So you have to use it, because ये जितना moisturization provide करता है उतना moisturization कोई provide नहीं करता है. And you can use it at night, not, you don't have to use it in daytime, but night में you just apply a thick layer of it. So उससे तुम्हारे नीज एल्बोज का जो ड्राइनेस है वो जाएगा, बिकॉज समर में ऐसा नहीं होता है कि चीज़ें ड्राई नहीं हो रही है. If you have a dry skin, your skin will be dry even in summer. So you have to use this. Even you can use any moisturizer that works for you, but I think applying a thick layer of this Borolin works much better than applying any body lotion. Sunscreen. So important, right? मैंने इतना ज़्यादा बोला भी था स्टार्टिंग में. First clip of this video was about sunscreen. But you often forget applying sunscreen on your body, and that's when this Wishcare sunscreen body lotion comes in. I got this as a PR, but I love it. I love this product so much. It's thick. I'm not saying it's very lightweight, it's thick, but it's so moisturizing. इतना अच्छा है, और फिर कितना अच्छा लगता है ये सोच कर कि इसमें सनस्क्रीन भी है, एंड इट्स SPF 50 PA++++, विच इज़ वॉट वी आर अप्लाइंग ऑन आवर फेस. तो हम जितना हमारे फेस का केयर कर रहे हैं उतना हमारी बॉडी का भी केयर कर रहे हैं. लव इट. दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस. doesn't have any strong fragrance. Actually इधर मैंने बहुत कुछ लगाया तो सब fragrances mix हो गए हैं. It is giving you the sun protection that you need. It is giving you the moisturization that you need, and the bottle is also very nice. It is 200 ml for 500 rupees, and 200 ml का I think आपको पूरा summer चल जाएगा if एक जन यूज़ कर रहा है तो. But still if you अप्लाई लॉट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर तो 2-3 ले लो यार, नॉट है दिक्कत एट ऑल. विशकेयर पे कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ सेल चलता ही रहता है. ऑल्सो एज आई सेड आई हैव अ कूपन कोड विद देम, तो यू कैन बाई these two things and use my coupon code Rashmi25. I guess I'll insert it somewhere here, and you can use that and buy these products. Next is a body roll-on. This is the most famous body roll-on. The most famous body roll-on, Chemist at Play. I am using the Aqua fragrance. It has 5% AHA, and honestly I use it. I'm using it from 4-5 months I guess, and it is working guys. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पैचेस है मेरे अंडर आर्म्स पे, और ये पैचेस आसानी से जा रहे नहीं थे. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस, मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रही हूँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ चुका है, बट कुछ हद तक डिफरेंस है. एंड द फ्रेग्रेंस इज ऑल्सो वेरी फाइन, नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्वा फ्रेग्रेंस, नॉट वेरी लाइट फ्रेग्रेंस की कुछ है ही नहीं. मेरा स्वेट बहुत कम हुआ है. मुझे अंडर आर्म्स में बहुत मतलब एकदम इरिटेटिंग वाला बहुत स्वेट होता था. बट I've started using this and I've seen a massive difference in my sweat. So you can try this and I love it. I seriously love it. It's not that expensive also. और ये काफ़ी टाइम से मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, तो कोई दिक्कत भी नहीं आई है इसमें यूज़ करते वक्त. सो you can totally buy this product. Next up is a body mist. परफ्यूम, बॉडी मिस्ट, बॉडी रोल ऑन, ये सब हमारे स्वेट को बस कुछ टाइम के लिए बोलते ना हाइड कर देते हैं. इट्स नॉट अ क्विक, इट्स अ क्विक फिक्स, नॉट एन रेमेडी. सो इवन इफ आई एम सजेस्टिंग अ बॉडी रोल ऑन और अ बॉडी मिस्ट, डोंट थिंक ऑफ इट एज अ सोल्यूशन टू योर sweat and pasine ka problem, but just a quick fix. However, if you want a solution, then let me know in the comments below. I'll research about it, try a few things around, and will let you know if something works out for me also. So for body mist, I am using the Gingham by Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correct or not, because I love it. I am using it from such a long time. So I was not applying any perfume a year back. I was very lazy I think, but I used to never apply. मेरे को इतना स्वेट अंडर आर्म्स के अलावा कहीं इतना इशू भी नहीं था, तो मुझे लगाने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती थी. सो आई नेवर यूज टू अप्लाई. माई सिस्टर गॉट दिस परफ्यूम एज अ गिफ्ट, एंड मैंने 1-2 बार से लगा के गई. मैंने लगाया तो आई गॉट अ फ्यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि परफ्यूम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. मतलब इट्स लाइक यू स्मेलिंग गुड इज़ अ वेरी नाइस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. देन आई बॉट द फुल साइज ऑफ इट. आई शेयर्ड इट ऑन माई स्टोरी एंड आई एम गेटिंग अ फुल साइज. मेरे को बहुत अच्छे डील पे मिला था ये फुल साइज, एंड इट इज़ सच अ गुड फ्रेग्रेंस. द फ्रेशनेस यू फॉर आई थिंक 6-7 hours max. You have to reapply it, but I carry a different perfume which I reapply after 6 to 7 hours. But this is so good. Totally worth the price. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि थोड़े perfumes expensive लेते हैं, वो थोड़े बिना मतलब कि पैसे खर्च कर रहे हैं, is what I used to feel, but that is so not true. This is such a good fragrance. Even I've tried Zara के perfumes, and they are so good. I will link it down in the description box below. The Zara perfume which I love, it's the nude bouquet I guess. Yeah, it's the nude bouquet. You can totally try it. It is such a great fragrance. Pro tip: carry a electrol. I'll insert a picture somewhere here. Carry a electrol with you. I always have it in my bag, always. You just have to whenever you feel thoda dehydrated, जिसको भी लो बीपी का प्रॉब्लम है, whenever you feel a little also dehydrated, just pour electrol in your water and drink it. I am sure within 5 minutes you'll feel so much better. Or else you can also take that ORS के lemon flavor या orange flavor के tetra packs जैसा आता है, you can also try that. Those are also very good. Yes, I think the electrol sachets are much more convenient to carry, so you should always have that in your bag. And that's it about all the recommendations that I had for you, all the summer essentials that I had for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like this video, share it with your friends, comment the best part you think in the video. If you have any summer tips or essentials that I should try, then let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll link it in the description box below. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. That would motivate me a lot to make more videos. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.